Hello, my name is Bruce Dix. I'm with Lake City, Florida Sound and also BD Studios in Lake City, Florida. I have a Soundcraft UI16 and was going to go over just a couple of its features. The main one I was going to go over today was how to shorten your view on your iPad, computer, Android or whatever. So if you're not using all of these channels and all of the effects and sends and everything, how you can shorten that up so that you can only see what you need to see. So to show you that, if you'll come up here, if you have a UI16, a UI12 or a UI24 and wanted to do this, it works really nice. But if you'll come here, you can hit on the UI, and then over to the side it gives you all of this information and different quick shortcuts to go to. But if you come here and you click on view groups, which is right there, and then you just hold view groups down, it comes up to this screen, and you have 6 different view groups that you can do. So say you want to only view channel 5 and 6, all you would have to do is just come through, unhighlight everything that you don't want to see, highlight 5 and 6, and then go back and you're done. Now if I wanted to do 5 and 6 and then the flash drive player, you just click there, and also I wanted to have my effects so I could run off of 5 and 6 and say my reverb and my delay, I could put that there. So now if I go back to my view and I hit view 1, because it was in view 1, sorry about that, let me go back, hit on here. All right, so view 1 is highlighted up here, right there, of the 6. So in view 1 I got channel 5, 6, I have the flash drive player, and I have my effects for reverb and delay. So now I can go back, and then all I have to do, I'm on the main screen here. As you can see, all the channels are here. So we have all the channels, but I only want to view the 5 and 6, the flash drive, and the reverb and delay effects. All I got to do is hit view, group, and then hit 1, and boom, there you go. See at the bottom I got 5, 6, flash drive, reverb, and delay. And that's all I have on that screen. So it will not go anywhere, can't move it, and you're good to go. So with that, if I want to go back to my main screen, say the next set's coming up, all I gotta do is come over here and just hit 1 again, and it goes back to my main screen where I have every channel that's on the board available. So I thought that was a neat, really good shortcut way, because if you're only using 2 or 3 channels, or even 4, 5, 6, or 7, you don't have to have all of them up where you got to scroll back into and everything. Now with the view group, sorry about that, you can also include your aux sends. So if I wanted to put a monitor in, or if I'm doing an aux send out with a sub, and I wanted to include those on that screen, all I got to do is just highlight them by touching them. And then when I go back, this is my main screen right here. Have all the channels. Come over here, tell it just to do the view group 1, and all I have, as you can tell, again, is 5, 6, flash drive, reverb, delay, and now I've added my monitor and my sub out. So that's just a very good way and quick way where you don't have to scroll so much. I'm just scrolling just 1 frame instead of having to scroll 5 or 6 to get to wherever I needed to go. Well, that's about it for today. I hope this helped you in some way. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you later.